Alright, I'm gonna do the ignition switch on this 1992 Volkswagen Corrado vr6. I already have it apart, and I'll just show you real quick. So, I started out by taking the wheel off. Now, I don't have the stock wheel. If you do have the stock wheel, you'll probably have to take a couple bolts on the side out. It's a good idea to unplug your battery too. Take that off, and then next, the cover underneath here just should pop off unless you have it screwed in. And then I wanted to take the top cover off, and this little lever to adjust the steering wheel up or down needs to come off for this top piece to come off. So you go up under, and there's that screw right there. You loosen that out, and you kind of shimmy this out, just like that. Pull it out right there. And then you should be able to pull this top cover right off. It leaves you with this. Next is this 20, either 22 or 21, but I use a 15/16 socket just to get this nut and washer out, and just pull this off. We're left with this, and next is you pull these plugs out. There's two right here on this side, and pull these two out. Now there's 3 screws, 1, 2, and 3, and then this should be able to come out. It's attached right there. So what I did is just kind of set it off this side like that. Okay. And then I hear people talking about how you need to bend a flathead to get this screw back in here, and I wanted to try and figure out ways to not do that. So I loosened this bolt, well, took it out. Took out this bolt down here, and then I can wiggle it so I can get a little more room back there. So next, there's this plug right here on the back of this ignition switch. Take that out, and then now, let's see if I can get a light on there. Okay, right where I'm shining the light, you'll see there's a little groove, and if you follow that groove, there's a little tiny screw, very tiny. This is how tiny it is, and it's right back there, holding the ignition switch in. And so what I did is, instead of bending a flathead to get in there and turning it, I have this loose so I can get a little more clearance in there. I stuck the screwdriver in like this, and with 2 hands it's a lot easier, but you can get in it like this, and once you're in the groove, you just turn it, and it shouldn't be too tight. Just one little turn, it should come loose, and then you're good to just keep on working it out. Once that's out, you're able to pull the ignition switch right out. I got the new one right here, and that's just about it. And you put the new one in, and put everything back together in reverse order. That's about it. It's pretty simple. People are saying that it's kind of aggravating to get get at that back there, but it is. But I'd figure I'd show that it's possible to do without bending a flathead. And it's actually not even a flathead screw, it's a Phillips screw, so if you can get your fingers in there and work it out, I'd say do that. Alright, that's it.